mystery reviews. In this video, we will be reviewing the automatic yogurt maker to help you decide whether yogurt makers are worth buying or not. This yogurt maker comes in a box packaging. It consists of a stainless steel bowl of 1 liter capacity, an outer body made of plastic, 2 plastic lids and a medium length cord. The automatic yogurt maker is extremely easy to use. All you need to do is add fresh milk, 2 to 3 spoons of curd and switch the appliance on. Leave the yogurt maker untouched and unopened for at least 7 to 9 hours. Your curd is ready and set. What we really liked about this yogurt maker is that it gives consistent results, as the curd remains thick and well set. Even on cooler days, the curd texture did not differ. This handy tool is for all those who love eating homemade dahi all year long. It surely gets a thumbs up from Team Mishri.